Ready, set, go. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have yalan. Yalan. Yalan is a lie, a falsehood, or false. Let's see how we're going to learn how to use yalan in phrases. And then I'm going to give you some sentences and some fun, I call it dad joke use. Let's start with phrases. To tell a lie, a blatant falsehood, a false promise. Let's see how to say them in Azerbaijani. Yalan danışmaq. Danışmaq is to tell, to speak. Yalan danışmaq, to tell a lie. Açıq-aydın yalan. This one is blatant, obvious. Clear as a day. Açıq-aydın. If you want to translate it, açık, open, aydın, clear. Açıq-aydın yalan is a blatant falsehood or obvious lie. Yalan verdi. Verdi is a promise. You can also hear yalan söz. Söz means word, also promise. Now sentences. O qədər yalan danışırdı ki, doğruları yalanlarından ayırmaq qeyri mümkün olmuşdu. I know, it's a long one. We're going to take it apart, break it down into pieces, and learn how to say it. But first, let's see the translation. He or she was lying so much that it became impossible to distinguish the truth from his or her lies. Now, o qədər yalan danışırdı. Danışırdı means he or she. We don't know who is this. Now, o qədər, so much. O means that, qədər means much. That much, so much. Now, danışırdı was telling, was lying basically. Doğruları, the truth. Yalanlarından, see yalan is a lie. Yalanlar, lies. Yalanları, his or her lies. Yalanlarından, from lies. Now, ayırmak, to separate, basically, to distinguish. Qeyri mümkün means impossible. Olmuşdu, has become, basically. O qədər yalan danışırdı ki, doğruları yalanlarından ayırmaq qeyri mümkün olmuşdu. Let's take a look at another sentence. O yalan vəd verdi. A little easier one. He or she made a false promise. Verdi means gave. You gave promise, basically. O yalan vəd verdi. Now, that was the regular use of yalan. Ready for my dad joke use? Let's see. Sugar-free cake. What a yalan. Now, thanks so much for staying with me and learning how to say and use the word yalan. If you are interested in learning tips of tricks of learning Azerbaijani, make sure to check masterazerbaijani.com. I also have Master Azerbaijani app if you want to take more systematic curriculum-based approach of learning the language. It's the right app for you. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.